Hello, best wishes for all of us. In this video, we're gonna presenting to you about information search and analysis skill entitled Rabin Karp algorithm.
We are from class 2 ST5 from group 1. My name is Grandy Damarnegara and my partner name is Christian Jonathan.
Computer algorithm. This is the definition of computer algorithm. It can be understood by taking an example of cooking a new recipe. To cook a new recipe, one reads the instructions and steps and execute them one by one in the given sequence. The result thus obtained is the new dish cooked perfectly. Similarly, algorithms helps to do a task in programming to get the accepted output. The algorithm design are language independent. They are just plain instructions that can be implemented in any language, and yet the output will be the same as expected. Some of popular algorithm, there is Rabin Karp, Prim's minimum spanning tree, breadth first search, binary search, merge sort, KMP algorithm, and quick sort. And then we have the function of computer algorithm. Number 1, using algorithmic function can be used to solve complex programs. Number 2, using algorithmic function can turn large programs into simpler programs. Number 3, algorithm function can be used repeatedly or more than once. Number 4, can solve all problems with logic and sequence. Number 5, minimizing repetitive program writing.
Rabin Karp algorithm. Definition of the Rabin Karp algorithm is a string search algorithm developed by Michael O. Rabin and Richard M. Karp in 1987. That use hashing and rolling hash function to find patterns in text string. The matching process is string matching, a method used to find accuracy of one or more given pattern. String matching is an important subject in science computer because text is the main from exchange of information between humans. For example, in literature, scientific paper, and websites, string matching can be utilized on many scopes. For example, document search, vector similarity of text. The advantage and disadvantage of using Rabin Karp. First advantage. First, make it easy for users to find matches in text data. Second, easy and fast to use. Third, the accuracy of the Rabin Karp algorithm is quite precise. Fourth, the results when processing multiple patterns are very good. Second disadvantage. First, the Rabin Karp program is little known to internet users, especially writers or bloggers. Second, there is no feature to eliminate affixed words. Third, the results when processing a single pattern are not very good. Function of the Rabin Karp algorithm. Tools in good time efficiency in searching for strings that have more than one pattern. And if both of the hash values are the same, then comparison will be done once more to the character. And it can be said that the function of the Rabin Karp algorithm is to identity plagiarism. As for the type of plagiarism, namely, first, word-for-word plagiarism, which is copying its word directly making any change. Second, author plagiarism, namely recognizing other people's work as one's own. Third, plagiarism of ideas, namely the use of an original idea or two from a text source without depending on the source text. Percentage-based plagiarism is divided into three, namely, first, plagiarism is mild, if the similarity rate is below 30%. Second, moderate plagiarism. If the similarity rate is between 30 and 70. Third, heavy plagiarism. If the similarity rate is above 70%.
Next, values that help the running of the Rabin Karp algorithm. First, we have Kgram. Kgram is a long string of tokens with a length of k. This Kgram method takes pieces of the letter character of the number of k values from a text which is read continually from the beginning of the source text to the end of the source text. Kgram is one of the values as a determinant of accuracy in plagiarism analysis. The Kgram value will produce different accuracy in the language used. Second, we have hashing. Hashing is a way of converting a character string into an integer, which is called a hash value. The process of converting it to a hash value uses the rolling hash function. And this is the example of hashing formula.
Third, fingerprint hash. Fingerprint hash is a unique, non-duplicated hash. Fourth, we have dice coefficient similarity. Dice coefficient similarity is the measurement method most commonly used to calculate the similarity value using the Kgram approach. And this is the formula of similarity.
Next, how the Rabin Karp algorithm works. The steps in the Rabin Karp algorithm: first, eliminate punctuation and change to the source text and the word you want to search for is non-capitalized words. Second, divide this text into grams determined by the Kgram value. Third, finding the hash value with the rolling hash function of each gram form. Fourth, looks for the same hash value between two texts. Fifth, determine the equation of two pieces of text with the dice similarity coefficient equation.
This is an example of text that we will use in the Rabin Karp process. And this is before going to the script process section. And we set the Kgram value to 4. In this picture, there are three processes. First is pre-processing, where all letters become lowercase and eliminating punctuation marks. Then there is the Kgram process. After that, there is a hash or hashing process. Furthermore, in this image, there is a fingerprint which is useful for removing the same integer data in the text 1 and text 2, and making another part to retrieve the same integer data from the text 1 and text 2. And after that, there is the similarity coefficient for the dice. Display the percentage of similarity between the text 1 and text 2.
Conclusion and suggestion. Our conclusion: the first Rabin Karp is a computer algorithm. Second, Rabin Karp requires function values from Kgram, hash, fingerprint, and dice similarity. Third, Rabin Karp is of great help to original writers in eradicating plagiarism. Fourth, plagiarism is an act of disgrace. Suggestion. First, the Rabin Karp algorithm is more precise in matching multiple patterns than single patterns. Second, added a feature to remove affix words so that the text can be compared more accurately. So there is our presentation about Rabin Karp algorithm. My name is Christian Jonathan and my partner Grandy Damarnegara. Thank you.
Thank you.